I know I'm probably going to hurt some fanboys here, but I think that the S197 is a nicer model than the S550. There, I said it. Comment down below. Tell me why I'm wrong or right. What's up, guys? DIY Salvage Guy here, and on this channel, we just learn as we go. Today's episode, we're going to be driving the Mustang to the inspection facility to get this thing done so we can be making it our daily driver. So like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. We'll hop into this right now. Guys, we are back the next day. We are heading up to inspection. Gonna grab some breakfast real quick, head up there. Super excited to get this thing on the highway. Car's looking good. Dirty, but looking good nonetheless. Excited for this. Should be no issues. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this car, aside from the fact that the paint job looks awful, but they can't fail me for that, so that's good. But we'll conquer that in the future. But here we go, guys. Hopping in, gonna start her up. Cold starts with stock exhaust are obviously nothing special, but it's more or less a joke, to be honest with you. But we're heading out. All right, guys, on our way to inspection. Car's running good. Alignment's off. Let's put these windows up real quick. Car's doing good, guys. So we're going to do a highway pull in a couple minutes. Get you guys in on that. Loving this car. You guys got to let me know. What do I do with it? I love Mustangs. Do I keep it? Do I sell it? Do I upgrade? Move on? I need your guys' help on that. So let me know. Let me know how to proceed with that. But pull, coming 0 mile an hour roll, pull. No traction. Absolutely no traction. Got tire hop, tire skid. No traction at all. This car comes stock with 245s with the larger rims. Pretty bad at the 245s. You need something larger. But highway pull coming soon. Alright, guys. Merging onto the highway. Downshifted to third. This will be a fun one. Let's see how third does. Here we go. Woohoo! Love this! Let's slow down. Alright, let's quick review how she does on the highway. Car's a little bouncy, a little bit shaky. I think that might have to do with either wheels being out of alignment, out of balance. Could very well be the case because it feels like it's coming from the back more. There are wheel weights that look like they were missing. Car sit back there, obviously. So when we go to get the new tires mounted, we'll obviously get them balanced as well. But that's not going to be before we burn the hell out of these tires first. So car leans a little bit to the left with the alignment. That's where the steering wheel is shifted. So, but overall, car feels good. We're cruising at about 80. No real shimmy aside from what I think is either a bent rim or the wheel balance, which I think most likely is that. So we are going to be pulling up to the place in a couple minutes, guys. I will update you when I get there. Loving this car. Have I said that yet? I have one more pull, guys. I don't know if you guys enjoy the pulls as much as I do, but I definitely love them. So I want to keep sharing them with you guys. We got a bit of traffic in front of us, so we're going to let that go slightly. Then we'll just catch up to them very, very quickly. It's an exhaust. Soon. All right, guys, we are at the salvage inspection place. You can see right there. Got the car here. I don't think there should be any issues. Car came out really well. I got all the road work behind me right now, but looking good. Excited for this. I'm gonna get this thing hopefully registered up tomorrow, but I will update you guys as soon as they come out. Let me know, hopefully, that I passed. Hopefully won't have any issues or anything like that. So, but we're here. They are going to be checking everything. Just a quick recap of what they actually do. In New Jersey, what you need to do is actually get a salvage inspection. So with that, you need to transfer the title over into your name from the auction, because it's originally made out to the insurance company. First step is to transfer it over into your name. Then you need to do all of the repairs, or concurrently you need to do all of the repairs, taking pictures. You need before photos, you need after photos as well. Then you need a notarized document that shows everything that you did, including VIN numbers of any parts that you got the cars from. A lot of times people use used parts for things like this. So like me, I got used parts from a vehicle that was broken. So we have to notarize all that. Then you get your salvage inspection, which we're doing now. Then you go, and after this is all done, then you go back to the DMV again, and you get your actual title rebuilt. So initially it's a rebuildable title. Then when I get it, it's a salvage title. Then after that, it goes into an actual rebuilt title where I can register it and get it back on the road, roadworthy. That means that's what that means. So here's the process. We'll go into a detailed video of that. So I'll check back with you guys in a couple of minutes. In conjunction with everything that I'm doing to relive my childhood, got some strawberry milk, because haven't had that since I was probably 12, but love strawberry milk. And in Jersey, we have pork roll or Taylor ham, wherever you're part of. I call it pork roll, and that's breakfast sandwich. Gonna eat that while we wait. All right, so car just came out very, very quick. Either a really good thing or a really bad thing, don't know. But we are waiting for the paperwork now, so hopefully we passed. Car's out, so update you guys in a couple minutes. Last time it took about, I want to say, an hour. So I guess we'll see how long it takes to get the paperwork, but maybe the inspection part is really quick and the actual paperwork is what takes a long time, but we'll see. Update you guys in a couple minutes. We passed. All right, guys, this marks 4 cars that we have officially rebuilt, and we are completely done with the Mustang in terms of getting it roadworthy. Now we just have the mods to do and take care of this paint job. So we are officially done with all of this. So now we can drive it, enjoy it, and we're going to be working on it still a little bit, but we're done. So we're gonna head back home and wrap this up. All right, we are back home. Probably had about 50 miles of a test drive there. Car drives good. There's definitely something wrong with the front end though. We have a popping noise, kind of seems like a dull drum beat in the front when you turn the wheel past the midpoint. So I don't know if it's a bad wheel bearing, something like that, but we're going to check it all out pretty soon. But car is drivable, past inspection. We'll get it registered tomorrow, and the rest of the stuff is all gravy now, guys. Love the way this looks. So many different elements of this vehicle right here. You got, I know I just went over this, but amazing. You got the GTCS grill on the bottom. You got the S550 front headlights, and you got the GT front grill. Absolutely love it. Think it looks amazing. This is the best of all models, and I know I'm probably gonna hurt some fanboys here, but I think that the S197 is a nicer model than the S550. There, I said it. Comment down below, tell me why I'm wrong or right. Car passed inspection, looking great, really excited for this. So make sure you guys check out the merch line down below. That way you guys help support the channel. Follow me on all the socials, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, and let me know what you guys think. How did this build turn out? Comment down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Hopefully you guys will be inspired by this and just pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do. Just try to become a DIY salvage guy yourself.